Why bother? You'll never make it anyway. Those words hit Jake harder than he expected. He was 17, standing in the corner of the dusty basketball court, sneakers scuffed, ball in hand, and a dream burning quietly in his chest. But somehow, everyone around him seemed determined to snuff it out. He sighed. Maybe they're right, he whispered to himself. But deep down, a tiny spark refused to die. That night, Jake stayed up past midnight, tossing and turning. He remembered the time his grandmother told him, "The only limits are the ones you place on yourself." Back then, he didn't fully understand. Now, it hit him like a lightning bolt. The next morning, he woke up early, dragging himself to the court while the city still slept. The streetlights flickered, and the air smelled faintly of rain and asphalt. No cheering crowd, no coach waiting, just him and the echo of his own doubts. "Okay, Jake, let's see what you got," he muttered, bouncing the ball like a heartbeat. Hours passed. Sweat poured. His legs burned. He missed shot after shot, and each failure whispered the same cruel thing. Maybe you were never meant for this. And then it happened. He nailed a shot from the far corner. Nothing spectacular, just one perfect swish. But it was enough. Enough to make him stop, breathe, and actually believe maybe he could. Maybe he was capable. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Jake kept showing up, even when nobody noticed, even when his friends went to parties and his critics laughed. One by one, those small victories stacked up. Each swish, each practice, each refusal to quit chipped away at the wall of doubt. By the time the regional championships came, nobody recognized him. Not the coaches who doubted him, not the players who laughed, not even himself. And then the final buzzer sounded. Jake's team had won. The crowd erupted, cameras flashed. And in that moment, standing there, drenched in sweat, heart pounding, Jake realized something he hadn't known before. It wasn't the trophies that mattered. It was the belief, the stubborn, quiet belief in himself that had carried him this far. The belief that refused to listen to, "You can't." Later, when a reporter asked him, "How did you do it?" Jake smiled, thinking about the lonely nights, the missed shots, the moments he wanted to quit. And he said something that made everyone pause. "I just believed in myself when no one else would." And maybe, just maybe, that's all it ever takes. How many dreams have you abandoned because someone told you you can't? What if the only person you needed to convince was yourself? Before you go, don't forget to like the video, share this with a friend who needs a little push, and subscribe. Together, we're building a community that believes in hope, effort, and self-growth.